Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this battery operated wet dry vac. So if you guys are into cleaning out your car and things like that, it's nothing more annoying than having to get out an extension cord, drag that all around. Oh, you have to go to the other side of the car to get, it's just kind of annoying. And check this out. It looks kind of like a tackle box or whatever. It has this nice little extension cord here. Uh-oh, have some water. Actually spilled some water here. Take our thing. All right, so dump all that water there. It pretty much got all of it. There's just a little bit of residue there that you can just sweep up or just get a paper towel and get the rest. But got most of it. Let's show you guys real quick here. And as you can see, if I want to get rid of my water or I just want to drink my water again, there we have it. That works surprisingly well. Just sucked it right up. And let's try the dust portion here now. Okay, friends. Well, here we go. I got some kitty litter here, and then I got some cat food, and then I got some pea gravel here. So pretty good chunks there. I'm using my crevice tool on this. Let's give it a go here and see how it works. First test: kitty litter with a dust bunny. How about some cat food? With a dust bunny. How about some cat food? And we got some pea gravel. It's pretty heavy. Oh, got some too big. The piece were too big there. Pretty impressive. I mean, the only thing it didn't suck up was this one because it was too big to go in there. Sucked up everything nicely. I'm actually really impressed with this thing. And then if we want to dump it out, like I said before, I like how all the tools just store conveniently in one little thing here. Super easy, super compact. Boom, undo that, pull this off, and there's all our trash. We just go dump it in the trash and we're good to go. Really impressed actually. It's got decent suction power. I like that it's battery powered and I don't have to lug a cord all over the place. I'm going to be using this definitely for cleaning out my car from now on. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day and I'll see you next time.